Hello guys, in this video I will discuss how to implement the concept of generating dynamic images based on the location in bot framework. To implement this concept, we have to follow the two steps. First, we need to create the Azure Map account in Azure portal. Second, we have to install the Azure Map visualizer package. This package I have been created, so some of the basic code has been written. You no need to write the code from the scratch. You can directly use this package in your application. You can use it in bot framework or .NET MOE, any .NET platform, you can use this package. As I mentioned earlier, the first step, you need Azure Map account. In Azure portal, I have created one new resource called Map Demo 1. This under Azure Map account. From there, if you go to the authentication, you can find the primary and secondary key. You can take any one of the key to use this application. The second step, we have to install the package. So go to the NuGet package manager, enable this pre-release because this is a pre-release version. You can check this one, include pre-release and search Azure Map Visualizer. Click this one and install this package. Once package has been installed, go to our main code. In the main code welcome message I sent to generate an location image. Please send your location. Once user has provided the location information, we have to pass this information to the Azure Map visualizer. To generate the image, I have to use Azure Location Map visualization interface. So object image. To create the object for this interface, we have to use the static class called Azure Map visualizer. So Azure Map visualizer dot, we have to call the function create location map visualizer. The first argument is subscription key. This subscription key you can find in your Azure portal. Go to the map and go to the authentication. There you can find the primary and secondary key. Any key you can use it here. This information I store into one of my static class called as settings dot map key. The second argument is a zoom level. So how much zoom, the location zoom you want to go. So default I put 18. The next step, what is the width and height of this image? So default I provide 1200 both width and height. If you want change it, you can pass those argument also, or you can leave it as a default argument. So here I go with the default argument. Next step, I'm going to pass the location information to this interface. So where object result equal to await object image dot dot. We have to use the function visualize location async. So the first argument we have to pass the location information. So the location information, it's available in the turn context dot activity dot text. Second parameter cancellation token, that also passed. This function return the tuple. It contains three information. The first information result. If the image has been generated, the result set as true. The second argument is a file URL, so where the location of the image is available. The third information map address. So if your information contains some map address, is able to find this information also, it's get filled like country name, street address, postal code, all the information is available in the map address also. So the first argument I'm going to check if it is true or not. Object result dot, it's true, that means success. I used attachment. The attachment specified is a content type image. The content URL, I'm going to pass the file URL here. So the object result dot file URL. File URL. Save. First we'll run the application. Application has been started. Next step, go to the emulator. Connect to the bot. To generate location image, please send your location. Send the location like T Nagar, Chennai. Here you see, now it's the image of Chennai. You can find Chennai, some information, high school, something like that. Like next message, MG Road, Bangalore. So Mahatma Gandhi Road, MG Road, related to Bangalore. If you reduce the zoom level, then you can see the more top view. I just pass the default arguments 18. If you want, you can change that value and you can see the exact location. And we'll see the map address. Now I sent message like Tambaram, Chennai. Put the breakpoint. Send this information. Here you can see the information about the map address, country and country code, subdivision, address. So if contains the postal code, all the information, if you provide the complete address, the street name, everything, it will fill in this map address field. So just run the application. Here we can see the Tambaram location also. Thank you guys.